Did you know that the food you eat can be classified into 3 main categories? Stick around to find out which food source is the best. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more insightful health videos. Have you ever wondered which food source is the best for your overall health and well-being? The confusion around this topic is prevalent, with many misconceptions clouding the decision-making process. Let's delve into the benefits of mineral-based foods. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals necessary for bodily functions. On the other hand, vegetable-based foods offer fiber and antioxidants, contributing to a healthy lifestyle. Now let's talk about animal-based foods. They are rich in high-quality proteins and essential fats, crucial for muscle growth and brain function. It's essential to understand the significance of a balanced diet that incorporates all 3 food sources. In conclusion, the key to a healthy diet lies in variety and balance. Each food group plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. Remember, it's not about choosing one over the other, but rather incorporating a mix of mineral, vegetable, and animal-based foods. We would love to hear your thoughts on the best food source in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Healthmanity. We help individuals achieve better health and wellness through expert-verified, easy-to-understand health tips.